Students, let us see the another example. Draw the graphs of the equations x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0 and 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. Determine the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle formed by these lines and x-axis and shade the triangular region. Also calculate the area of the triangle so formed. In this example, we have to do four things. First, we have to draw a graph. Then second thing, we have to determine the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle, and third thing, that we have to shade the triangle so formed, shade the triangle so formed, and fourth, we have to calculate the area of that triangle. So here first thing is that the given equations are x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0, and the another equation is 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. First we write this equation as y in terms of x, so it will be y is equal to, if you take x to this side and 1 to this side, that will become minus, but because of this minus again both will become plus, so it will be x plus 1. For this equation we find the three possible solutions which are suitable for us to draw the equation, to draw the graph. To get the three possible solutions, we assume the three values of x and write it in a tabular form. So here I take the values of x as 0, 1 and minus 1. If you put the value of x here as 0, then 0 plus 1 will be 1. So the value of y will be 1. If you put the value of x as 1, then 1 plus 1, that will be 2. So the corresponding value of y will be 2. And if you put the value of x as minus 1, this will be minus 1 plus 1, that will be 0. So the corresponding value of y will be 0. Then for this equation we will write y in terms of x, so it will be 2y is equal to minus 3x plus 12, and therefore y is equal to minus 3x plus 12 upon 2. Now here also we will take the three suitable values of x and find the corresponding values of y. So here I take the values of x as 0, 2 and 4. If you put the value of x as 0 here, then it will be minus 3 into 0 will be 0. So 0 plus 12 will be 12 upon 2. So that will be 2 6 are 12. So the corresponding value of y will be 6. Now if you put the value of x as 2, so it will be minus 3 2 are 6. It will be minus 6. 12 minus 6 will be 6 upon 2 will be 3. So the y will be 3. Now here we will put the value of x as 4. 4 3s are 12, minus 12 plus 12 will be 0, and 0 upon 2 will be 0. Now first of all we will plot the graph by taking these coordinates. So let us see how to plot the graph. These are the values we have got for x and y as far as the equation y is equal to x plus 1 is concerned, and for the equation 3x plus 2y is equal to 12 we have got these values. So first we plot the x-axis and y-axis. On x-axis we take 1 centimeter is equal to 0.5 units, and on y-axis we take 1 centimeter is equal to 0.5 units, and we take the numbers on x and y as shown. Now here we will first consider the equation y is equal to x plus 1. So the first set of coordinates is 0 and 1. So x is 0, y is 1, and since x is 0, here it will be 0, and y is 1, so y will be 1. So the point will be plotted here. Then the second set of coordinate is 1, 2. So x is 1, y is 2. So x is 1 here, y is 2 is here. So the point will be plotted here. Then the third set is -1, 0. X is -1, y is 0. So x is -1, x is -1 and y is 0 here. So the point will be plotted here. Now draw a line passing through these 3 points, and that line will be like this. Now take the another equation, 3x plus 2y is equal to 12. So the first set of coordinates is 0, 6, x is 0, y is 6, x is 0 and y is 6. So the point will be plotted here. Now here the another set is 2 and 3. So x is 2, y is 3, and therefore x is 2 and y is 3. So the point will be plotted here. The next set is 4, 0. So x is 4, y is 0, and therefore x is 4 and y is 0. X is 4, y is 0, and therefore the point will be plotted here. Now join these 3 points. So this line will be the required line, and we see that this line intersect at this point, and therefore the solution of these two equations, y is equal to x plus 1 and 3x plus 2y is equal to 12, will be x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. Now we have to write the coordinates of the vertices of the triangles formed by these two lines and the x-axis. These are the two lines and this is the x-axis, and the triangle formed by these 3 lines is this. So this is A point, this is B point, and this is C point, and the coordinate of A point is 2, 3, coordinate of B point is -1, 0, and coordinate of C point is 4, 0. So the required coordinates of the 3 vertices are A 2, 3, B -1, 0, and C 4, 0. Now the third question is that we have to shade the triangle. So this will be the triangle formed by the 2 lines and x-axis, and you have to shade this triangle. And last question is that you have to find the area of this triangle. So to find the area of the triangle, we have the formula: area of triangle is equal to 1/2 base into height. So for that we will require the height. So this will be the height and this will be the base of the triangle. So height will be 3 units and the base will be 5 units, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 5 units will be base and height will be 3 units. So we will solve that. Area of triangle ABC, area of triangle ABC, which is equal to 1/2 into base into height, so which is equal to 1/2 into base is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 units, so it will be 5 into height is 3 units and so into 3, so 5 3s are 15 upon 2, that will be 7.5 units. Therefore the required area of triangle ABC is 7.5 units and the required coordinates of a triangle are A 2, 3, B -1, 0 and C 4, 0. Let us see another example. Solve the given system of equations graphically. 2x plus 3y is equal to 6 and 4x plus 6y is equal to 24. Shade the region bounded by these three lines and the axis. Name the figure so shaded and find its area. Here the two given equations are 2x plus 3y is equal to 6 and the another equation is 4x plus 6y is equal to 24. First we write y in terms of x, and so it will be 3y is equal to 6 minus 2x. Take 3 to the other side, so it will be y is equal to 6 minus 2x upon 3. Now we will find at least 3 solutions to this equation by assuming at least 3 suitable values of x. So we will write that values in a tabular form. X and y, we will assume the 3 values of x as 0, 3 and -3. Now put the value of 0 in this equation, so it will be 2 zeros are 0, 6 minus 0 will be 6 upon 3, 3 2s are 6, so the corresponding value of y will be 2. Now put the value of x as 3, so 3 2s are 6, 6 minus 6 upon 3 will be 0, so the corresponding value of y will be 0. Now we take the value of x as -3, so it will be -3 into -2, that will be +6, 6 plus 6 will be 12 divided by 3, so 3 4s are 12, so the corresponding value of y will be 4. So here we have got the 3 possible solutions for this equation. Now we will write this equation as y in terms of x. Before that we will divide this equation by 2 because 2 is a common factor, so we will get 2x plus 2 3s are 6y, which is equal to 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, so 3y, which is equal to 12 minus 2x, and therefore y is equal to 12 minus 2x upon 3. Now here we will assume the values of x and y and find the we will assume the value of x and find the corresponding value of y, and then write in a tabular form. So here x and y. So let us assume the values of x be 0, 3 and 6. So if you put the value of x as 0, it will be 2 zeros are 0. So 12 minus 0 will be 12, and 12 upon 3, that will be 3 4s are 12. So the corresponding value of y will be 4. Then put the value of x as 3. 3 2s are 6. 12 minus 6 will be 6 and 3 2s are 6. So the corresponding value of y will be 2. Then put the value of x at 6. 6 2s are 12. 12 minus 12 will be 0. So 0 upon 3 will be 0. So the y will be 0. Now we have got the three suitable solutions of the two equations, and now we will plot the graph. These are the three suitable solutions of the equations 2x plus 3y is equal to 6 and 4x plus 6y is equal to 24, and using these values we will plot the graph. So first draw the x-axis and y-axis. On x-axis take 1 centimeter is equal to 0.5 units, and on y-axis take 1 centimeter is equal to 0.5 units, and accordingly draw the points on the x-axis and the y-axis. Here the first set of coordinates is 0, 2, x is 0, y is 2, x is 0, y is 2, so the point will be plotted here. The second set is 3 and 0, x is 3, y is 0, so x is 3, y is 0, so the second point will be plotted here. The third set is minus 3 and 4, so x is 3, y is 4, x is 3 and y is 4. Sorry, it is minus 3 and 4, so x is minus 3 and y is 4, so minus 3 and 4, so the point will be plotted here. Now these are the 3 points which you have plotted on the graph. Now draw a line passing through these 3 points, and that line will be like this. Now take the another equation. The first set of coordinates is 0 and 4. X is 0, y is 4, x is 0, y is 4, so the point will be plotted here. Now the second set is 3, 2, x is 3, y is 2, x is 3, y is 2, so the point will be plotted here. Now the third set is x is 6, y is 0, x is 6, y is 0, so the point will be plotted here. Now we have got the 3 points on the graph. Draw a line passing through these 3 points, and the line will be like this. This line is the graph of equation 4x plus 6y is equal to 24, and this line is a graph of 4x plus 6y is equal to 20. This equation is a graph of 4x plus 6y is equal to 24, and this line is a graph of equation 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. Now we have to shade the region enclosed by these 2 lines and the axis, that is x-axis and y-axis. So these are the 2 lines, and this is y-axis and this is x-axis, and the area enclosed by these 2 lines and the axis is this much, and we have to shade this region. So please shade this region. So this is the area enclosed by the 2 lines and x-axis and the y-axis, and we have to name the coordinates of the figure so formed. So let this be point A, this is point B, this is point C, and this is point D. And since these two are the parallel lines, we can say that ABCD is a trapezium. That is also asked to us. So this is a trapezium and we have to find the area of this trapezium. So how will you find the area of this trapezium? It is area of this triangle, bigger triangle A. This is the origin O and D. So first find the area of this triangle AOC and subtract the area of triangle BOC from it, so that you will get the area of this shaded region. To find the area of these two triangles, we need the formula area is equal to 1/2 base into height, and therefore we will require the base and height. So for triangle area of triangle AOD, so in triangle AOD, base will be equal to, this is the base, so base will be equal to from 0 to 6, the base will be 6 units, and the height will be from O to A, so it will be 4 units. So height will be equal to 4 units. Now in triangle BOC, in this triangle BOC, base will be equal to, this will be up to 3, so base will be 3 units and height will be 2 units. Height will be 2 units. And now we will find the area of this shaded region on a plain page. And now we will find the area of the shaded region, and we have seen that in triangle AOD, B is equal to, that is base is equal to 6 units, height is equal to 4 units, and in triangle BOC, we have seen base is equal to 3 units and height that is equal to 2 units, and therefore area of shaded region that is equal to area of triangle AOD minus area of triangle BOC, which is equal to area of triangle AOD is 1/2 base into height, that is 1/2 into 6 into 4 minus area of triangle BOC, that is 1/2 into base into height. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, which is equal to 2 and 2 will get cancelled, 6 2s are 12 minus 3, and 12 minus 3, that will be 9 square units, and therefore the area of the shaded region ABCD is equal to 9 square units. And students, we will stop here, and in the next session we will once again meet with the topic solving a pair of equations graphically. Thank you very much. Friends, you might have enjoyed this video. Then go to thumbs up button and click. Then go to share tab and share with your friends on Facebook, Twitter, Google Plus and many more. And to get the updates right in your mailbox, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.